Well, lost a tire. Gotta put her on. Had to jack up this end and block the bottom of the tractor. And we'll probably have to lift her up a little bit to get this new tire on. She's about 900 pounds. And we'll use the old John Deere for it.
The way I'm looking at that is this cribbing in the center is just our fail-safe. Having a horrible catastrophe.
Yeah, and the jack's sitting on a nice block on a big steel plate.
Yeah.